Coach, so you've talked about being at both sides of Katipunan. So what's the biggest difference or challenge for you between coaching a champion team that's already up there and coaching a rebuilding team now that's just on the way out?
Well, pinakamaganda doon is yung UP community. But I'm saying I'm always grateful because wala pa ako nagagawa in UP. May pupunta sa gym, say thank you coach for accepting the challenge. Meron pupunta, thank you coach for accepting the challenge. And wala pa ako nagagawa. I mean, galing din ako sa talo, but being appreciative of what's in store for us is what I value. I am thankful for the Ateneo, the blue side of Katipunan, for giving me, for making me who am I now. And I would like to say this also to the Ateneo community, to those who supported me. Maraming ako natutunan doon. And I'm bringing that excellence going to the other side. But this time, it's a mission and it's a challenge. Kasi alam naman natin, for the longest time, wala si UP sa pwesto na we want it to be. But what important is, we are going there because of the support and the promise of the UP community, the sponsors, and the players that always accepting the challenge. Alam nila, I'm a very strict coach, I'm a very demanding coach, because I'm a father to them. Like Scott King is saying, we are a family. I'm a father to them. And it's a mission and a challenge for me to bring them closer to that legacy that they wanted. So, Coach Boperaso's vision, Chancellor and the President's vision, I guess it will really be nowhere to go but now. And the difference is this time, UP, you will be watching out UP for the next few years because this is the right time to ride the UP Volleyball program.
And yun, asahan yun pong lahat. Next season, babawi po kami. Pinapangako ko po sa inyo. Nasa bottom po kami ngayon. Wala kami ibang pupuntahan kundi sa taas. Kaya, abangan niyo po kami next season.